I'm gonna come over. They're just statues. Hello, sir. Pleased to meet you. They look real, don't they? They're eating blueberries. They're checking out the map and eating their blueberries. They're slightly frightening.
I don't think you could fit 100 in this bucket if you were that size.
Yep, pull it all off.
And then when it's all clean, you just put it in the pot.
I can put on the pot.
Are you gonna eat some?
Watch that thing burning next to you, Noah.
Corn is delicious.
2 at a time in your pot, man.
You're making it.
We're making it.
It's
One's a small one.
I think you'll be okay.
Pass me those tongs. Are we using these tongs for clams?
I think we're
Pretty cool under there, eh? Yep.
This can be a shortcut.
It is a good shortcut.
Yeah, I like it. I really super duper like it. Close your eye and count, Mama.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready or not, here I come. It's not a very good spot.
This is the only hiding spot.
Is it?
This is the only hiding spot. Because